Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I am planning for the first week of 2023. So that is December 20 something. I don't even know what the date is. This is a brilliant start to the video, goodness me. December 26th to the 1st of January 2023. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So this is a brand new planning style for me, planning in inserts. It should be fine because it's the same format more or less. These are CaressPress inserts, but I'll talk more about that in my planner lineup video. So here is the kit that I'm using. It is the New Year's Eve kit from CaressPress and Kidney Girl Art. So this is the kit. Just a quick flip through. As I'm flipping through, I'm kind of putting things I don't need right now to the side as well. I like to do that just to make my life a little bit easier. All the boxes. And then the deco page I'll put over here because I don't need it right now. So this kit I am pairing with matte bronze and rose foil from SBC. Again, just putting what I need to the side. I got two of those. There's the scripts and icons. We don't need that right now. In the bottom washi, I'll need that. And then because this is a rings planner, I need the whole reinforcers. I got a selection from SBC, so I'm not sure which I'm going to use yet. I think there is a sparkle one somewhere in here. So I'll probably use those ones, but I'll figure that out later. And I'm probably just going to alternate them too. But yeah. And then I have the two matte samplers in matte bronze and rose gold. So I'm not going to do a talk through the base. I just wanted to talk through the intro. So I'm going to lay down my base and come back for the day by day. I do not know yet if it's going to be a voiceover or in live. You'll find out. But yeah. Yeah, let's just get into the base. Okay, so I ended up doing a voiceover for this one, but anyways, let's get into the day by day. Starting with the sidebar, I used this sticker from the Honeybee shop. I'm not sure if I put it on straight away, but I did use the sticker from the Honeybee shop. That was a girl holding planners, and then I made a script saying New Year, New Planner with a S in brackets to note planners. I thought that was funny, so I did that in the sidebar, but I guess I didn't do it on camera. So on Monday, the first thing I marked was waking up at Malik waking up at 3 a.m. to play. I used an alarm clock from the foil bundle and the script I made. Then noted that it was Boxing Day with the bag from the Apple Blossom Prince doodle sheet and a Boxing Day script from Planner Hannah. Then used this face sleep mask from Apple Blossom Prince doodle sheet as well, and a sleeping script from SBC to note sleeping in. In the extender, I noted having my morning tea with a doodle or another doodle from the Apple Blossom Prince sheet and a script from me. Then noted cuddling Malik with the sticker from Make Plans, and then the cuddle time script is from SBC. Then noted a Netflix TV binge. I'm not sure what I was watching, so I used a Netflix TV from Pink Diamond Planner Co. and then a TV binge script from Make Plans. I then noted that Malik was with his dad with this scribbler from SBC and a with dad custom script from Adorably Amy Designs. I noted having a YouTube binge with a YouTube laptop icon from SBC and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. Noted doing my assignment with a pencil icon from Apple Blossom Prince and an assignment script. I think it was from the GP Studio, who is no longer open, as most of us know. So that was that. Down at the bottom, I noted to get some takeout with a takeaway bag from the Pink Diamond Planner Co. Doodle sheet and a takeout script, which is from Kylie Plans. I then noted doing my little cousin's hair with this another doodle from the Pink Diamond Planner Co. sheet and a script from me. I then noted that I had a really bad headache with this girl from Valley and Toma, and then another script that I made. So let's move on to Tuesday. So at the top of Tuesday, I noted sleeping in with this bed icon from Apple Blossom Prince and a sleeping script from Happy Sticker Designs. If you don't already know, I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs, so use my code ADIATO15 to get 15% off of your order. I then noted I'm doing my other cousin's hair with another blow dryer sticker. This one, it was from Kylie Plans. I noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube TV sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co. and a YouTube binge script from SBC. I then noted eating leftovers of the takeout that we got on Monday with this cutlery icon from the foil bundle and a script that I made. I then noted watching a Bollywood movie called Kuch Kuch Hota Hai with this popcorn icon from I think it's from Planner Face maybe. Then noted cuddling Malik again with this Make Plan sticker and a snuggle script from Planner Face also. I then noted watching some more so I think the thing that I've been marking with like TV binge is Sister. So I used a Netflix TV from SBC and a binge watch script from the foil bundle to note that. I then noted that Malik was doing some stinky poops with this poop icon from SBC. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner from the SBC doodle sheet and a Plan With Me binge script from Planner Hannah. And then finally I noted that Malik was still in the process of taking more steps because he kind of walked in this time, but I don't think I marked the actual day that he walked because he was taking a little bit of steps each day. So I don't think I actually marked him fully walking, but yeah, he was taking more steps this day, so I used his footsteps icons from PMD stickers to note that. We are now moving on to Wednesday. So on top of Wednesday, I marked being tired AF with a pillow icon from Pink Diamond Planner Co. and a script from SBC. Then noted that my husband went into the office with a laptop from Apple Blossom Prince and a script from Make Plans. I noted, as usual, having my cuddles with Malik with the sticker from Make Plans and the snuggle script from Planner Face. I noted having my morning cup of tea with this doodle from SBC. And then I noted that I was in a bit of a mood with this sticker from Joy of Planning and a Moody Mama custom script from Planner Hannah. Then I noted more Plan With Me binges with a planner from Pink Diamond Planner Co. and a binge watch script from Planner Hannah. And then I finally marked that Malik was super sleepy this day with a bed icon from the foil bundle and a script that I made. So I don't know if I even said that this year I'm going to be doing a ink-free year in my planner, so I have been making scripts. I don't think I said that in the intro, so I will be making scripts for the rest of the year, hopefully, fingers crossed, if my silhouette stops trying to stress me out. But yeah, so I did create scripts for all the spreads I've done so far. Anyways, I then marked that Malik was drinking all of the milk formula with this baby drinking a sticker from Papershire. I marked getting some more takeout with these chips icons from the foil bundle and a takeout script from my Planner Hannah custom multi-sheet. And then noted watching the circle with a TV icon from SBC. Then noted that I was sorting out my 52 weeks foil pairings with the sticker sheet sticker from Apple Blossom Prints. I then noted organising my stickers afterwards with this Pink Diamond Planner, no, Stick with Planco Gal, and organised sticker script from Make Plans. And then finally I noted doing some memory planning for Malik with this Baby Girl sticker from Carly Plans, and then the script that I made. So in the next two spreads, these scripts are quite big because I made the scripts before, like I didn't pull out my stickers before making my scripts. So this was like my first trial, so they are going to be smaller because some of them are okay, but they're quite big. But you know, it was my first time, so I don't think I did too bad. So moving on to Thursday, the first one I marked was being tired again with a sleeping mask icon from the foil bundle and a Sleepy AF script also from the foil bundle. Then noted that my husband was working from home with this house icon from the foil bundle and a custom script from Make Plans. I then noted having a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from the foil bundle and a YouTube binge custom script from Planner Hannah. Next I noted a Plan With Me binge from a planner from the foil bundle and then a script from Planner Hannah saying Plan With Me binge. I noted getting some Starbucks with the Starbucks cup from Pink Diamond Planner Co. and a script from the foil bundle. And then I noted cooking dinner. I made some prawn tacos, so we used this taco icon from Paper Candy Art. And I cooked in a custom script from Planner Hannah, and then I made a script saying what I made. Then noted cuddling my son with a Make Plan sticker and a script from Planner Face. I noted that I was filming my impression Goosey Twin bag. I was filming a reel about that bag. Then I noted watching Grownish with a Disney Plus TV from Pink Diamond Planner Co. Moving on to Friday, I noted being sleepy again. Who's shocked? Not me. With a pillow icon from SBC and a Sleepy Mama custom script from Planner Hannah. I noted my husband working from home again with the same house icon from the foil bundle and script from Make Plans. I noted having my morning cup of tea with this drink icon from the foil bundle and a script from me. I noted that Malik was super sleepy with a bed icon from PMD stickers. And then noted playing with some stickers with the sticker sheet sticker from where is it from? It's from SBC, and I play with stickers script from Planner Face. And then note we get some Happy Mail with this box from the SBC doodle sheet and a script from the foil bundle. I then noted organising my stickers, probably the stickers that I got with this Mr. and Mrs. Mink Co sticker and an organised stickers script from Make Plans. I then noted that Malik was like drunk off of the formula. It was so funny with this paper show sticker. I noted watching Too Hot to Handle with a Netflix TV from SBC. Then noted having a late night dinner with this cutlery icon from the foil bundle and an up late script also from the foil bundle. Next I noted setting up my new planner, which was what the Happy Mail is, so I'm guessing it was my US box, with this New Year New Planner sticker from the Honeybee shop. And then I finally noted that I was planning the first week of my 52 weeks planner with this Whimsy Girl and a planning time script from SBC and a week 1 out of 52 script that I made. To know it was the first week of my 52 weeks of planning. Actually my 52 weeks of fandom is what I meant to say. So moving on to Saturday, it was New Year's Eve, so I marked that with a balloon icon from Apple Blossom Prints and a New Year's Eve script from Planner Hannah. I noted sleeping in with a sleeping mask icon from the foil bundle and a sleeping script from Happy Sticker Designs. I noted having snuggles with Malik with the sticker from Make Plans and script from Planner Face. Next I noted drinking my morning tea with the teacup icon from Planner Hannah. I noted more Plan With Me binge with a sticker sheet icon from the foil bundle and a binge script from Planner Hannah. I noted watching some shows with the family with this sticker from Make Plans and With My Love script from SBC. I noted watching Vikings with a TV icon from the foil bundle and a Viking script that I created. And I noted doing some packing because we were moving, so I was packing some stuff with this folded laundry icon. I think this one is from the Pink Diamond Planner Co sheet because it is on matte paper. I noted that Malik went to sleep early this night with a baby sleeping sticker from Benuva's Creation and an early night script from Tilly Journals. I noted playing with some stickers with the sticker sheet sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co and a script from Planner Hannah. Then finally I noted more memory planning for Malik with this baby hat sticker from SBC. On to Sunday, aka New Year's Day. I noted that it was New Year's Day with this Sweet Ava's paper snowboarder cat with like fireworks, and a New Year's Day script from Planner Hannah. I then noted having my New Year's kisses and Hello January in like the same box with this couple kissing sticker from PMD Stickers, and a Hello January script from Happy Sticker Designs. Goodness me. Then noted after that sleeping in with this pillow icon from Crafty Plan Co. and a sleeping script from Happy Sticker Designs. I noted making some breakfast that morning with this sticker from Carly Plans, and then having my morning tea with a teacup icon from the kit. I noted more snuggles with this picnic plan sticker and snuggle script from, what is it called, Planner Face. I don't know why I can never remember the name of Planner Face. I then noted that there was some drama with this spray bottle. I think I will use that to note that I just wanted to cleanse myself from drama on the first day of the year. Can you imagine? I then noted that we were getting like all the New Year's calls and making all the calls with this phone icon from Pink Diamond Planner Co. Then I noted, of course, a Plan With Me binge with this, I think it's a notebook icon from the kit, but I just used it. And a script from Planner Hannah. I noted playing with more stickers with a paper shire sticker and a script from Planner Hannah. And then I noted do some more packing with this SBC folded laundry sticker from the Doodle Sheet. I noted do some more memory planning for Malik with this baby girl icon from the kit. And then finally I noted a YouTube binge with my husband. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below what you think of my spread in my new planner, and you know, in my inserts, and what you think of me using scripts, or if you are now using scripts. If you do want to go into this, I will say that Rosy Planet has a really good video which really helps me and was really in detail and step by step and visual for me who is a visual learner. So if you have all the tools, definitely check that video out. But anyways, I'll show you a flip of what was left of the kit and a little bit of a wiggle, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.